Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. My name still remain Anthony. In case if you've not subscribed, please go and subscribe. So that's for that. Let's switch to our Dikoko language, what we dey call Pidgin English. So my topic for today, where I want to talk about na Kata Sojourner. So this Kata Sojourner, what we dey talk so, na dem dey call Ilimitato Sojourner or Kata Sojourner for CE or UE. So wetin be this difference between CE and EU, UE? Na im be say CE na Comunità Europea and UE na Unione Europea. So Carta Sojourner Illimitato, before e come out, the old one wey dem first dey bring come out na im be Carta Sojourner Illimitato or Lungo Periodo wey dem write CE put. Dat one na im be the old one. So the new one wey dem come dey see na still the same thing o, but dem just modify the name. Dem come write am say Carta Sojourner for Illimitato and UE. Na im be the one wey dem dey see now. So e still get another special Carta Sojourner wey I no go talk about, but I wan just throw small light on that one. Na im be those Carta Sojourner for Carta Blue. That Carta Blue na for those people wey dem know say dem be professional or professionalist, wey dem know say dem get into one professional job or the other wey dem dey do, like say medical doctor, nurses, or engineer, architect, or other lawyers or other professional job wey you know say you be foreigner, you no be Italian citizen. So those people, if dem get working contract, dem fit ask for this Carta Sojourner or Carta Blue. Na im dem dey call that one. But the one I wan talk about na this normal Carta Sojourner. So this normal Carta Sojourner, dem dey call am Carta Sojourner Lungo Periodo. So na this Carta Sojourner na everybody dey carry, normal person wey dey Italy go fit apply for. So this Carta Sojourner wey we dey talk so, how you go fit take apply for this Carta Sojourner and the advantage? This Carta Sojourner get many advantage too. You fit comot go other country, you no get any problem, and you fit stay for Italy wey dem dey call permanent permit of stay. E no dey expire. The only thing wey dem dey do after 5 years, police station fit write you letter make you come update the picture wey dey your phone, wey dey your document, because your face after 5 years e go still change. So na make dem dey do all this one, but normally e no dey expire. But how you go fit take apply and wetin be the requirement? Now we talk. So the requirement be say you go get 5 years permit of stay. 5 years permit of stay mean say from the day wey you get your slip till 5 years wey you take stay for Italy continuously. So if maybe now they give you 1 year document and you renew and they still give you another 2 years, you still renew and they still give you another 1 year or 2 years, as the case may be. If you don calculate am from that first day wey you do your thumbprint, wey dem give you the slip or the receipt of your electronics wey you thumbprint, from the day wey you know say your permit of stay complete 5 years, you fit apply for this Carta Sojourner. That one na one of the requirement. The second requirement be say from the point or from the day wey you wan submit this application form, you go still make sure say you still get resident for Italy. So but this resident no dey count to apply for this Carta Sojourner. It must be that day wey you dey apply, you must make sure say you don already get resident. But where resident for the count na if you wan apply for passport, na dem dey count resident. But if you dey apply for this permanent permit of stay wey dem dey call Carta Sojourner, na only document wey you get. If you reach 5 years, na you fit apply. And no be all document na dem dey count. Those documents wey dem no dey count, even though say you reach 5 years wey you no fit apply for this Carta Sojourner, now I wan make sure. So those people wey dey ask for political asylum and their asylum dem never grant am, e dey dem give am requesta di asilo, dem dey give am 3 months or 6 months, e no fit apply for this one. And those people wey dem still know say dem still get permit of stay for study or permit of stay for cura medical, you no fit still apply for this one unless you change am to working permit of stay, or you still get permit of stay for special case, you still get permit of stay for humanitarian, or you get permit to stay subsidiary, or you get permit to stay for political asylum. All these categories, in any way wey you take get your document, na those people wey I mention so, na im go fit apply for this permanent permit to stay. So another thing wey dem still need be say the person must get Italian language certification. E must sabi dey speak the Italian language, and the minimum requirement wey dem need na be A2, which is intermediate. E go sabi speak and write Italo well well. So they'll give am the certificate of A2, and they see if you still go any syndicate wey still dey your city wey you dey, you go fit ask the information or about the school wey you know say dem for still dey give this certification. So if you still go adult school wey dem dey call CPR, dem fit still tell you on how you fit still take get this A2. So A2 Italian test certification is at the middle, e dey the center between A1 and B1. So if you start newly, you start with from A1 before you can reach A2. So if you get A2, you fit still apply. And another thing wey you still need to still get be say if you know say you get children wey you dey apply, you still get certificate of school attendance of your children. They wan know whether your children still dey go school, you still go bring certificate from there, you still go give them. The another thing again wey you still need to still get be say you go still get certificate of hygienic or suitability or accommodation. So wetin be the meaning of this certificate of hygienic or of accommodation be say you go where dem dey call ASL, which is Azienda Sanitaria Locale, or Azienda Unità Sanitaria Locale, which is ASL or OSL, wey you know say dey your city wey you for dey apply. You go ask them say how I fit get this certificate of hygienic, whether your house dey hygienic enough or suitable enough for you to apply. They'll give you certification. They'll come measure the house. If the house dey okay for a normal family wey una dey apply. But if una be two, if your house dey like 45 square meter and everything dey and ventilation dey, everything dey intact, say you get toilet, you get everything, they will give you this certification. So if you go there, they will tell you the house where you want to apply for this thing. If you know say the house dey okay, if you know say the house not dey okay, you fit get another this certificate of hygienic for another place while you get hospitality for another place. You can still use that one to apply. So if you dey do all these things, so make sure say you dey keep all these documents for ground, because if you don't keep all these documents for ground, you no fit apply. So another thing wey you still get before you still apply be say you make sure say your crime record you no get any crime at all for ground. If you get any crime for ground, you need to clean your crime, because if you want clean your crime, you need to get lawyer, and that lawyer wey go help you clean the crime wey you get for ground, na that they call rehabilitation. So the rehabilitation, so e still dey follow process. I will still talk on that one another topic. So if you know say you get this document, and the next other document wey I would still like to talk about in my next video, na be your last year income, whether they call CUD or Reddit of last year. You will make sure say you still get am too. And I will come bring different type of table and different type of money in your income wey you know say you're supposed to get last year, your yearly income, or your income annual wey you supposed to get last year wey you fit apply in case if you dey apply this year. So you will follow me for the part 2 of this video, where I will continue from where I stop, so that in case if you never follow me for my YouTube channel, just go to First Aid Immigrant Solution and click on the subscribe button there, so that if I load the part 2 of this video, you will still get alert for your phone. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye bye.